loud-mouthed social media personality. That is Archipalago. He used to be close friends with Shatta Wale, but then later on, no, in the Shatta Wale today on Chebia, and then your besties or no be a besties you have to be on the lookout. Hey, what's going to happen? What's going to happen? Boom, now we see. Well, popular US-based Ghanaian social media commentator and also entertainment critic, who is also a musician, Archipalago, has revealed his real job or real profession in the United States of America. Now, speaking in an interview with Sammy K, blogger Sammy K on the Go Online show, the controversial self-acclaimed American president asserted that he works with surgeons in the state. Now, according to him, despite being a jack of all trades and working in different fields in the United States, he's currently now a healthcare professional who trained as a sterilized processing technician, a field in the health sector that works hand in hand with the surgeons. Now, Archipalago, however, rubbished assertions made by some netizens on social media that he is a mortuary man and a cleaner in America. He stated that those who are fond of making such statements about him are purely born out of hatred and jealousy, and that is because he's more exposed to the Western world and also way ahead of them in life. Now let's go and then have a look and listen to what Archipalago said.
Nti weja uba na na
oda se ma ye adwuma bebre ma ja uba no o me koi ma ye Walmart ma ye oil adwuma oil yeah
no mo oil no mo ye den
oil say two oil
hey wow
yeah na me floor hand me you know me uniform like yeah
that's a
working yeah my oil my sign delivery my warehouse you know and they say me many sergeants in the
sergeants.
Yeah. Me Juma hospital, me healthcare professional.
So in the there's surgeons. Like we more surgeon.
Yeah, surgeon.
So say that's what connection school.
I say me school no one hu no me dey to tama me go school no one hu. Adwuma no kra me yeah kra check. And sana me dey ho picture ebe to. But ye obi anwan na wonye oboa na say enti bibia me on me private life and that social media. Asma beto say me ka no. Na e di obi anim the family ho pa de this are them person who na obo yes I won
this
go school here ni na obi anim
this surgery school be na ko
oh my course surgery me call sterile processing school yeah me sterile processing technician
okay for
also me can what I say listen can me reveal but am Ghana for more na so dumb to extent say omo me no be say and I me a mortuary man, me a cleaner, and I me a one. Like it's so sad. Oh, anything I me person me children adwuma me.
Wow.
Yeah.
About the same almost but okay, you school no. Answer about mortuary man. Oh, school ben.
No mortuary man.
So when I can say I was say how many years now school?
School there say 6 months.
6 months.
Yeah.
School need the same.
School need. Na still me say sterile processing
it's a course no but school needing
a course now obey no obey to my be class obey to my be
online into here no online into there's a school needing
there be online school there best
yeah into no see on the sergeants on the sergeants ne here Juma Archipalago ayo American president so this is what Archipalago is saying also one on social media and also Archipalago in the post and the photo no corner or your mortuary mine or your cleaner or hospital be no aka to time one interaction or the picture for the gram and then send be for clouds na also no or on the sergeant for a year